Yeah. Started with a promise.
Have you ever watched a travel video and the traveller is hiking or trekking or whatever and they're gassed, they're puffing? One thing about travelling, if you're going to do things like that, you've got to hit the gym, you've got to get fit, you've got to open your lungs up, get you ready for all those trekkings, hikes. I've just been on the treadmill, that's why I'm puffed a bit. But now we're going to hit the bag, get that cardio up. Want to watch? This is all preparation for our adventures. This is all preparation for travelling the world. Can you still hear me? I just took my earphones out. Alright, let's go, let's get it. Don't have to do much, just hit the bag. We've done our warm up. Now let's get some cardio. I lost count there somewhere. Now we go back to 2. Ready? There we go. There we go. As you can see, I'm pretty gassed. You gotta stay fit. That's the warm up. We're gonna do a bit more. Probably just wanted to show you that I'm gassed. But when you're traveling, people don't think about these things. You do activities, you do water sports. You know what I mean? You gotta stay fit. You gotta at least have some form of cardio. See, I'm puffed. So that means we've got more to do. Stay tuned for more tips. It's always a bonus when you get the whole gym to yourself. You know what I mean? Anyway, couple reps, nothing major. Just make sure you're doing something, people. You gotta stay fit, you gotta stay healthy. Start off with a few push-ups, hey, what do you reckon? Sit there, you watch me there, right? Ready? I do it on my knuckles. That's what you want to do, you just want to open up your lungs. You don't have to be out here in the gym for like an hour, 2 hours. Get that workout, get that pump. I'm away working night shift at the moment. Sleep, still trying to get to night shift. But I come here and it sort of wakes my body up, you know, gets ready for whatever we're doing. But also it keeps you in shape for when you travel, like I was saying. Man, I need to catch a breath. All right, just give us a minute. All right, cool. Don't have to go hard. As long as you go. Here we go. We'll jump over here, eh? You ready? So there you are. Then you can walk around in your tightest little t-shirt that you get in Bali or whatever. You know what I mean, Buzz? Right, this is just a reminder. Don't go too hard. Don't take it too serious. But do it. Stay active, people. You only live once. Live it. I think another thing that's pretty important, make sure you get some vitamin D from the sun. Lovely day today. It's only going to help you. It's only going to help you. Stay active, keep traveling, live that life. Alright, back to the room. This is the room. I'm a FIFO worker, so I'll work away. We'll stay here. This is my room. You know what I mean? Tayo's one of my, I watch him, he's inspirational. I've seen him grow. Hopefully one day I can get to his level. Shout out Tayo if you're watching my brother. But yes, while I'm not traveling, look at the travel. I don't know if I can show on YouTube, but like here's someone else's videos. I think if you get a chance, check him out. He travels. He got a new passport because his Nigerian passport didn't allow him to travel where he wanted to travel a lot of places. I won't show his whole video. Go check him out. Tayo Aina. I'm not sure how to pronounce the name. My apologies, brother, if I'm ruining your name. But the main thing is here, I think people stay motivated. You know, I'm definitely trying to get the YouTube channel happening. Oh, man, I'm wrecked. Just give us a sec, man. Just give us a sec. Just. Hello. Okay, cool. Yep. So now I'm gonna go get a protein shake. Get some protein into my body. Hydrate. Also, people, I have actually started drinking coconut water. I used to be big working away and working night shift. I was big on like Red Bulls, energy drinks, stuff like that. No offense to Red Bull, nobody. But drinking too much of this stuff is no good for you. I was drinking too much. I started drinking coconut water. I've got no affiliation with this brand or coconut water in any way, shape or form. I'm just telling you my experience. I feel better. My energy seems to be more, it's stable throughout the night, you know, like you have energy drinks, you sort of go up and down. I drink coconut water. I have not bought an energy drink while I've been away. Usually I buy 2 a day sometimes, you know what I mean? Like when I'm just feeling like, then you start relying on it. Anyway, just a quick little thing. You look after your body, fuel it with some good food, healthy food. Coconut water, that's my go-to. Grab yourself a camera and record your journeys, tag me in it and show me what you're doing with yourself. Maybe you can give me some ideas. Like, you know, I know my boxing needs a bit of work. Probably my weights need a bit of work too, but I just watch other guys on YouTube and I use what works for me, I think. You know what I mean? The main focus for me is staying healthy, staying active. So I'm fit enough, so when it comes to travel, I can actually travel and make the most of the day. Do you know what I mean? Does that make sense? Let me know if it does, let me know if it doesn't. But all the best, have a good day. Take care, hit that subscribe button, subscribe. So there we go. That's about as easy as it gets. I didn't want to film. I'm still not used to filming other people while they're doing their stuff. But I've got my protein shake with my moringa. Let me show you, bro. So it's like a big green thing. I think anything green pretty much good for you, don't you think? Oh, so good. So moringa, get it into your people. It's kind of like a spirulina, I think. And then I have my coffee, have a almond milk cappuccino. That's my jam. Got to stay healthy, you got to stay active, got to stay all that good stuff. Oh, and also get like not affiliated with any of these products. If they want to give me a sponsorship deal, let's talk business, bro. But yeah, look after yourself and get yourself ready for your journey ahead. That's all you can say really about that. So you can sit there now and just watch me drink my protein. There you go. It's as easy as that, people. Look, I'm new to the whole YouTube thing. I'm actually excited to get a channel up and going. I'll work my ass off here in the FIFO industry. Now, my reason for it is to travel, so I can save money to travel. This is what I do. I just want to show you behind the scenes not behind the scenes, but what I do for work, which then finances my travel. Sounds good, doesn't it? I finished that. Anyway, yeah. I hope you follow along. I do hope you enjoy the journey. I'm just getting started. I watch a lot of videos of other like travelers or like content creators and things like this. I'm still new to the space. Forgive me, people, if I don't get the terminology correct. All right. Do I look at you or do I look at myself to make sure I'm in the screen and everything? It's all these new things. I'm excited to learn. I'm excited to go and I'm excited to jump on board and do this. Now I've got to edit this later on. But like I said before, just keep watch, hit the subscribe button, follow the journey. We're only just beginning. I've got a few things lined up. I'm trying to get in by the end of this year, 2026. But next year, I've definitely got a few trips lined up that I want to bring you along on. And I just want to explore the world from one country at a time, one journey at a time, no compromises. This is how we do it. Stay tuned. Bimbian. Thanks for watching.
Every passport stamp tells another chapter.